Hi guys, welcome to another Dance Graphics tutorial. Um, Today we are learning how to make YouTube videos. I've got a lot of requests from my students asking me how can they make YouTube videos. So watch and follow up and come in. Let's learn how to make YouTube videos. Okay. So basically, there are two ways to make a YouTube video. It's either a screenshot or a camera or film shot. Now, this is what I mean. Every video you see on YouTube is in either of this category, okay? It's either a screenshot or a film shot, and I'm going to explain each of the processes very soon. Like what I'm doing now is a screenshot, okay? So but let's start with the camera or the film shot. Now, what is a camera shot or a film shot? A film shot or a camera shot is a continuous view through a single camera without interruption. By combining different types of film shots, movements, and angles, filmmakers can emphasize different actions and emotion for different scenes. Okay, this is what I mean by a film shot. Now, when you're recording a scene through a camera by yourself or someone is recording you, okay, that's a film shot. You might be at a different angle, a different scene, a different place, a different background. Like you're making a film shot, okay? And when you're making a film shot, definitely you're making a record of yourself or of something else, okay? Now, basically, camera shot or film shot is used in comedy skits, shooting, movie making, and almost every kind of movie you see, because it involves film shot, where someone is sitting in the parlor and someone is taking a shot of that person, okay? So that's a film shot or a camera shot, and it talks about movement of the camera starting from the time it starts to roll until the movement stop, okay? Now, when you go to a scene where movies are made or to a movie set, they will tell you camera rolling, stand by, action. The film starts shooting once they say action, and there's a continuous footage, a continuous action going on, okay? So that's a camera shot. And to make a camera shot, there are different things needed. I'm just going to outline few of them, okay? Now, when you want to make a film shot, you may need a camera. Fine, you can use a camera on your phone, though. I am sure most Android phones or iOS phones comes with a good camera. But make sure your camera is sharp enough, okay? Then you need a tripod stand. That's where you keep the camera for distance viewing and other things. Now, sometimes you see people recording tutorials by themselves in a room, okay? There's a stand where they hang the camera, and they make their tutorials. You see some maybe tutorials about food, chef, how to make egg, how to make custard, how to make whatever, okay? So you can actually do that by yourself using a tripod stand. Just keep your camera or your phone on the stand. Make sure it's well fixed and well positioned to capture whatever you're doing and to capture your scene. That's your position, the place you're standing, okay? Then you need a camera light, or generally, let me say, you need a light, a good lighting system, because when you're making a camera shot or a film shot, now you need the video to be very, very bright for your audience to see. So that's the need for camera light or any kind of lightning, okay? That's why when you're making a camera shot or a film shot, you need good lighting, except when you're making the movie outside and there's a good light, maybe in the afternoon, everywhere is so bright, good, you might not need a camera light. Then you'll be needing a microphone, especially when you're making distance shots. For instance, someone is standing under a tree and you want to capture the whole episode, like the whole scene, the tree, the person from a distance. Alright, so you'll be needing a good microphone to project your voice so that no matter how far the camera is from you, the voice can be picked, okay? And you'll be needing an audio recorder, okay, to enable you record the proper voice. For instance, if you're making a scene where you have to shout and you are at distance, you're using a microphone, well, you can just increase the pitch of your audio recorder. You don't have to woo. Yes, you make the action, but you might not need to make those shoutings, okay? And a lot other things, okay? You might be needing a boom stand and a lot of things that is needed if you're going to make a movie, okay? So, but these are the major equipment that is needed. And secondly, let's go to our screenshot. Now, screenshot is simply taking a picture or recording a video of your phone screen, just like what I'm doing now. Everything you're seeing now is my screen. Now, once you capture your screen, you can view it, edit it, share the image or video, okay? Now, this screenshot is usually used for tutorial videos. For instance, I want to share a tutorial video on how to use Pixel app, how to use this app, how to use that app, okay? All of those involves screen. So I'm just going to share my screen. I don't need a lightning, I don't need a tripod stand. All I need is my phone, okay? Because the phone itself is giving the light, is giving everything needed, okay? So when you're making a screenshot, you don't need a tripod stand, you don't need an external camera, you don't need anything, just your phone and a good screen recorder, okay? Now, I'll drop the link to get the Pro X recorder. That's what I use for recording my videos, okay? So if you need it, you can get it through the description button, yes. And as well, make sure you're audible and make sure you're in a noiseless environment. That's you're in a place that is not noisy, okay? But well, if you're in a noisy place, you can always denoise your video. Yes, I made a tutorial video on how you can denoise your video. You can check it. Okay, I will drop the link also in the description box. Yes, so you can always make your screenshot with your phone and any good screen recording app. I hope this video helps you and I hope you understand. Yes, if you have any question, please feel free to drop it at the comment section. And remember, when you make your screenshots or your film shots, you need to pass it through editing, okay? Because sometimes you make some mistakes, you might want to do some plus or minus. That was why the other side I said you can view, edit and share it. So you edit your video, put it in the right place, the way you want it to be, and the speed you want the video to play and other things. And you can do that using your insot app. Yes, if you don't know how to use insot app, you don't have any problem. I'll drop link to my insot app tutorial in the description box as well. So feel free to get any of those tutorials, and to your success, Giant Graphics School. Thank you very much.